Time of the ball game. Out of bounds. Jersey number 21.
First game.
Is dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 9.
High Zone 1 versus
To jersey number 11. Kick out to 91. 10 to shoot. Pull up the fire. No good. Rebounding it by jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 18. Now he's dribbling the ball. To jersey number 18. Pass to jersey number 8. 3 point at 10. 5
points by
3 points. Now jersey number 91. Deflected steal. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Leo Campo.
Now jersey number 21, there is a whistle, foul committed by jersey number 8. That is your first. Now jersey number 21, pass to jersey number 91. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 11, drop pass, 5 to shoot. Shot clock violation. To jersey number 6, drop pass to jersey number 2, pull up jumper, 2 points,
2 points by
5-0.
Ben Liro.
Now jersey number 21, full court press, pass to jersey number 11, jersey number 11, post to post layup, no good. Rebounding by jersey number 13, pass break to jersey number 6, bingo, layup blocked by jersey 9. Jersey number 6, no good. Out of now jersey number 6, dribbling the ball. Long 3 points, no good. Rebound again by jersey number 21, now he's dribbling the ball, pass to jersey number 11. To jersey number 29, now the last 2 points. 5-2. Now jersey number 18, pass to the middle to the corner to jersey number 6. Jersey number 18, third drop, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, natang the basket, nice pass, follow up, no good.
Ano for the rebound.
Now jersey number 10 to 21.
5-2.
And jersey number 21, dribbling the ball, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot, third drop, 2 points, 5-4.
Jamir Gianpano. Oras.
7 minutes. 3-point fires, no good. Rebound again by jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 21, now he's dribbling the ball.
Campo.
Back to 11. Jersey number 11, aras by jersey number 18. Jersey number 11, attacking the basket, and there is a whistle. Now jersey number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 8, fade. To jersey number 6. There is a whistle. Jersey number 8. Foul. Committed by jersey number 29. That is your first personal foul.
Ano sinalog?
Of the last 2 points, change favor. Now jersey number 18. 3-point, fines, no good. Rebound by 13. Of the last 2 points.
By the Slate.
Now jersey number 21. Fake. Pass to jersey number 11. To jersey number 91. No good. Rebound by 91. Deflected steal by jersey number 6. Pass to jersey number 8 to jersey number 18. Not tapping the basket. No good. A rebound taken by jersey 91. Now jersey number 91 dribbling the ball. Pass to 21, 3-point fires, no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 6, deflected. Now jersey number 21, pass to 91. Screen by 11, pass to 11, 10 to shoot, no good. A rebound taken by jersey number 2, pass to jersey number 18. Now jersey number 18 coast to coast, behind the back pass, out of bounds. Now jersey 91 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 10. 8 seconds violation. Ten to shoot, 3-point pass.
Coras.
3 points.
10
Jersey number 10.
Tungol.
Pull up
Number
jumper. No good. Rebound by 29. Ball taken by 21 off the glass.
basket
2
by
points.
Leo Campo. 10-8. 2-point lead by
3 minutes and 35.
Tabok Suba.
Now jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 6. 3-point pass, no good.
Reload.
Jersey number 6, attacking the basket, deflected steal by jersey number pass to 91. Pass to jersey number 11, and nope.
And look.
Now jersey number 18, pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by 11, pass break deflected. Pass to jersey number 13, 10 to shoot. Jersey number 6, attacking the basket, no good. Rebound by jersey number 5 to shoot. There is a whistle. The jersey number 28, pass to jersey number 2, deflected, steal by jersey number 26. Now jersey number 26 goes to open. Follow up by 91, no good. Ball taken by jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 20.
There's just one.
Drop pass to 23-point, fires, no good. Rebound by 29. Pass to jersey number 26. To jersey number 21. Steal. Now jersey number 20, pass to jersey number 18, attacking the basket. There is always 3-point pass, no good. Rebound by 29. In favor of Tabok Suba. Jersey number 7, pass to 28, 3-point pass, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 21. Now jersey number 21 dribbling the ball.
Leo Campo.
To jersey number 27, to 26. Screen by 21. Jersey number 26 attacking the basket. Nahuli. Ano? Out of bounds. Now jersey number 18 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 7. To jersey number 28. Deflected. Ball taken by 28. Pass to 18. 10 to shoot. Layup no good. Rebound by 28. Pick off the last 2 points.
Yes, by Guzman. Jumong. 12-8.
12-8, 1 minute and 13. Now jersey number 27.
Malang.
Long 2 points, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number.
Benliro.
Pass to 23 to jersey number 7. 3-point pass, no good. Rebound by jersey number 31. 55 seconds. 50. Now jersey number 27. 10 to shoot, 14 seconds. 5 to shoot, steal.
Kainos.
Now jersey number 7, 30 seconds. The jersey number 18. $15.
Velar. Is the basket.
10. 5.
Basket by Benliro.
Delay lang doon, delay.
14-8.
And the first quarter score 14-8.
Favor of Tabok Suba.